This video covers SuperBox S4 Pro unboxing and setup. This Android TV box supports various apps and lets you watch your favorite shows and movies. I will be sharing as many details about the SuperBox S4 Pro Android media box so you can decide if it is suitable for your needs. This video is made into these sections so that you can directly find and watch the information from this video. Continue watching to learn about SuperBox S4 Pro Android TV box. This is the SuperBox S4 Pro shrink-wrapped product box. The front of the box features the product image, the SuperBox brand, and the model S4 Pro. At the side are some of the Android TV box features printed. Let's open the box to see its contents. These are all the items from the box. The SuperBox S4 Pro Android TV Media Box, IR remote control, power adapter, HDMI cable and user guide. This smart media player box has a rectangular-shaped all-plastic construction. At the top is the printed brand name SuperBox. At the front is the LED display and the model S4 Pro is printed. At the side, this is the micro SD card slot, USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports and the device restore pinhole. There are ventilation holes above them. At the back, this is the DC power port, IR port, AV port, HDMI port, LAN Ethernet port and SPDIF digital audio port. There are dual-band Wi-Fi antennas that can be adjusted to get optimum internet signal. On the other side, there are more ventilation holes. At the bottom, the model, serial number and MAC address are printed. There's more ventilation holes here and the 4 rubberized feet provide good grip on a flat surface. The remote control requires 2 AAA batteries. The back of the remote has pairing and programming instructions etched on the surface, so the instructions may last longer than if it was printed. The remote button's functions are pretty standard and there is a voice control button too. Included is a simple user guide which includes product specification, basic settings and troubleshooting information. Let's get this device started. Connect the HDMI cable from this Android box to a display such as TV or monitor. Connect the power cable and turn on power. The Android splash screen displays SuperBox logo and animation which took 35 seconds to come to the disclaimer notice screen. This Android box does not have the entertainment apps pre-installed. It is up to the users to get needed apps from app stores. To proceed, click Agree. Use the remote control up or down arrow keys to adjust and fit the screen display. Click Next and you can choose to connect via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Click Finish and the SuperBox home screen loads. SuperBox has an easy-to-use and practical interface. There are large tile-like icons for live TV, VOD, and others. These tiles below allow you to add your favorite app shortcuts. The icons below are to access Android settings, File Manager, One-Click System Optimizer, Internet Speed Test, Uninstall App, Remote Control Pairing for voice control, Set App Shortcuts for number keys on the remote and SuperBox customer service contact details. Android settings allows you to manage the operating system's preferences. For the Android interface language, there is a large selection of 68 languages to choose from. Under Display Settings, there are options for HDMI settings, CVBS settings, and HDMI Advanced settings. Under Sound Settings, you can select audio formats and output mode selection. Now let's look at SuperBox S4 Pro hardware specifications. This is an X-Droid board manufactured by Allwinner. It comes with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, however it is reporting a lower amount here. The CPU system on chip is Allwinner H6. It has a 4-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor running between 480 to 1488 MHz. For graphics, the GPU is a dual-core ARM Mali T720. It supports the OpenGL standard. The installed Android is version 9, which is also called Pie. This device is rooted and that allows a user perform actions such as changing the operating system, replace or alter settings and system applications, install custom themes, and download specialized apps. The system is reporting that a Vulkan device is not found. Vulkan is an open standard for 3D graphics and computing. Now let's look at the installed apps and the App Store on this device. Under Apps list, these are all the pre-installed apps in this device. There are no external app stores or streaming apps here. Under App Store, Google Play Store is installed by default. You can install an external app store, but this is purely your own choice and decision to install it. I can't show you how to install the streaming apps due to the platform guidelines, but I will explore the external apps just to check out what they provide. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. I will skip showing the app installations and go straight to the apps to test. These are the 3 apps that I'm going to check: the Live TV, VOD, and Playback apps. I have added them to the shortcut icons for easy access. The Live TV app lists 1,665 channels, and all the ones I randomly checked loaded quickly even when I am connected to a Wi-Fi. I did not experience any lag while the stream was playing. Pressing the left button shows categories which include favorite bookmarked TV channels. The categories make it easier to find channels as the complete channel list is quite long. The VOD app has tabs called Recommended, Newest, Movies, TV Series, and Settings. On the main screen, there are shortcuts for watching history, favorite bookmarked movies or TV shows, and search function. On the Movies tab, clicking on Movies icon gives options to search, filter, or navigate movies through 26 categories. All genres here shows page 1 of 1129, which shows 12 movies per page. Navigating through the categories loads the movie list within it, and that makes it easier to find a movie to watch. Playback app has a list of channels where you can find past 7 days of shows. If you missed any live TV shows, this is where you can come back to catch up on programs. Although there are more than 1,000 live TV channels, the playback feature is currently available for 85 channels. Let's look at the internet browser in SuperBox S4 Pro. Clicking the browser icon launches Google Chrome browser by default. I did not encounter any issue, and this browser works well for browsing, social media sites, and watching videos on websites. Now let's test playing 4K video files and see the playback performance. This is a 4K trailer of a movie, and the video playback seems to be good. Fast forwarding works pretty quickly too. The SuperBox S4 Pro plays 4K quality video without any problem, even when having only 2 GB RAM. If you like to watch 4K quality movies, this Android media box seems to handle it well. Let's test playing YouTube videos in this box. The video playback starts with a lower quality. But when I select 4K quality, the video playback is not as smooth as it is supposed to be. Although it supports playing 4K video, I did not enjoy watching any of the 4K YouTube videos. However, it did perform well and smoothly on other resolutions below 4K. DRM, or digital rights management, is a way of protecting contents from piracy. To stream and play HD quality videos from services like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video, the device needs to have DRM security level L1. This Android TV box is only certified for L3, so you can't stream HD or 4K quality videos from those protected services. Let's test playing a 3D game in this Android box. The game is called Riptide GP2. This is just a demonstration of game performance and graphics in the SuperBox S4 Pro Android TV box. The graphics are not the best, but I did not experience lag, so this 3D game is quite playable. Although you can play games in this box, it is not suitable for heavy 3D gaming performance. To summarize, SuperBox S4 Pro is an amazing Android media box for live TV and video on-demand playback. It is capable of having thousands of live TV channels, movies and TV series updated frequently for endless entertainment. The user interface is very easy to use and has a responsive interface and navigation. Applications are generally loaded quickly and provide a good experience. 4K local video files play without any problem. 3D games play without any issue. But I also have some concerns about this TV box. YouTube 4K playback is not smooth as expected. It does not have the DRM security level support to play Netflix in HD or 4K. RAM is only 2 GB, which is small for today's standard. I hope this SuperBox S4 Pro video review has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.